maybe we could lay down a little guitar instead of drums.
We recorded Louis on one of the tracks playing kick drum and then hitting an acoustic guitar.
He was just in the studio as we were working out the song. We were talking through what kind of approach to take, and he picked up the guitar and he started banging out a really nice little groove.
I'm kind of imagining like this being like the thing that interacts.
What's
like
this?
This.
Crazy idea. Could you actually play that from behind the kit?
I totally. That's what I was thinking.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
fun.
You know what I mean?
Because what could be cool is if you have like, I was thinking like maybe fluffy beat or kick.
Yeah.
Something. You know
Oh,
what
that
I
could
mean?
be cool.
The kick.
I could do both. I could